Change yung presidership. Tapos papabotohin na.
You know why this is my problem? Because I spoke eh. I spoke in the meeting.
And wait lang, last time, nag-2/3 din tayo, Rob didn't vote. So, ba't hindi nyo ni-raise yun?
Hindi, kasi it won't make a difference eh. Ngayon pa eh.
Your reasoning is, ang sabi, 2/3 of the voting of the voting.
Is this a tie?
Wait lang, listen to me please. Ang sinabi mo, Gino, 2/3 of the voting group, Ay, sorry.
Sorry, nasa ako. Sige.
Wait, rest mo si Maan, bisa
Not your
sabihin.
fault, not your fault. It's my fault. It's my fault. Go.
So sabi mo 2/3 of the voting group. So kung ganun, dapat latte pa lang, kasama na si Rob. Hindi naman nakalagay doon na 2/3 sa voting group if gawa.
Okay, Maan.
Man.
The problem right now is if you get 2/3, we're not saying that hindi nakasama dapat si Rob sa voting. Because when you look at the numbers from last time, technically, talagang tama yung naging poll at the end. Kasi hindi talaga umabot ng 2/3. So now, what we're having a problem with is the fact that hindi solid number yung lumalabas na 2/3 ng 20. So yung last time kasi mas malayo dun sa kailangan ng number of votes. So right now, our problem is, I don't know if it's a problem, but technically, since we round off pag sa number of voting, it shows that it did not reach.
Okay, pause. Okay. Why is this a problem for me, ah? This is not equal either. There is a less than. For everyone, because this is not a possibility.
Round up kasi wala namang 0.3 na tao.
Sagutin ko yung kay Reg. All voting members si Rob, no CV. But the thing is, when you're presider, you choose to abstain. Therefore, dahil nag-tie ngayon, binibigyan ko ng...
Tayo ba siya?
Hindi.
Sige, hindi tie. Dahil malapit ngayon. Binibigyan ko ng option na ilipat yung presidership papunta kay Jojo. And after that, Rob can vote. Pero ano bang pwedeng gawin ni Rob? Pwede siya mag-abstain ngayon. Rejected yung college fair dahil less than 13.33. Sabi ni Rob, unfair siya dahil hindi whole number. Kasalanan din ng mga CV na nandito ngayon. Kasi hindi sakto yung numero natin sa number. Yes.
Can I call for a focus?